So like what type of size seller is like around the threshold like that they should like, you don't have to give exact number, or maybe if you want to, I don't know.
30K a month. That's what we're looking for.
In ad spend or sales?
Sales, total overall revenue is
okay.
If you're borderline at 25, there's potential maybe, but not really likely. I mean, we let one girl in who doubled her sales to 60, but that wasn't the usual case.
Okay, so yeah, you guys just want something you could scale, right? Like you want to provide massive value and help. So because then it's like, hey, you will be able to like you'll be able to pay for yourself, obviously. And like if there's not enough sales there, it's like, well,
yeah.
See that.
Also, I almost turned down $100 million company like 2 days ago because I mean they said they were comfy with their current advertising model. So if you're comfortable with your current advertising model, you probably shouldn't reach out because we can't help you.
So basically, if they're like, hey, we have this, can you guys just do this for us? You're gonna be like,
well, it depends. Like it depends.
Yeah. It depends how much they're gonna pay.
No, it depends on whether or not. So like, here's the thing. Like if, we asked the question, hey, are you comfortable with the current style of management for the advertising? Like, are you comfortable with how it's being managed? If you say yes, well then
how can we help?
How are we going to provide you any value? Like, even if we can help you, you're not going to see the value. Like, even if we go through even if I look at it and I go, you know what, we can provide massive value, but you're completely comfortable, it's going to be hard for you to psychologically.
They're not going to go through the training and take action.
Yeah. We're looking for people who are like, we're looking for people who are like, no, I'm not currently comfortable with how it's being managed. I know there's something better and I want to like potentially move in that direction. We know people are hunting for options. That's how people are engineered, options, right? Yeah. So, but our job is to, if they are comfortable, we can help them. But if you're not, then that's where we can come in. And if we've done our diagnosis and we feel like we can help you, then we can potentially work together.
And that would just be more appreciative and good to deal with. Like anyone, like if you're solving a pain point, but if they're like, we're kind of complacent, but okay, I see that.
Dude, that's the attitude they're going to bring to the program. I mean, you know what I mean? Dude, it's all psychology, man. It's like, you got to be like, hey, I feel like, there's these certain things that I'm really frustrated with that I want help with. Those are, that's where you can provide value, right? There has to be.
Yeah.
Yeah, friction. For sure. So what was your, so like what is generally in there? Like, I haven't even looked at it yet. I just know I probably should, but I just know that you guys have been out there for years. And like, I've seen you were Global Sources, right, Sean? I didn't get to meet up with you.
So I went twice at Global Sources and then Taylor went with me the second time.
Yeah. And I know like you guys are very vetted from my friends who use you. So it's like, yeah. So explain to me what it is. Cause I don't even know. Like the general, like what, like it's like a kind of outline and then also like training or like program or like.
Yeah. It's a mix. So training portal with a lot of recorded videos myself and Sean made, and we're constantly updating it. And it also comes with one-on-one training. So twice a week, Mondays and Thursdays, we do 2-hour live Q&A calls. And then there's a private Facebook group you get thrown into with all the other sellers, mostly 7- and 8-figure sellers. So we're basically slowly building also kind of like a badass mastermind at the same time with really like.
Oh, so it's like there's not somebody who's like, dude, you don't need to do an auto campaign, because they would just get to be like, what? Like in the normal Facebook groups where it's like, you don't know who to trust.
Yeah,
like,
nobody's.
Does this guy even sell? Like,
yeah. No. We vet everybody. It's pretty.
Highly vetted.
And the third thing, and the other thing that is software. So software is in as well. So sponsored product software and then AMS software as well. So and it'll include on the AMS side, analytics and automated bids. And then on the sponsored product side, mainly the bid optimizations, and helps with launching campaigns as well.
So is this the software that we talked about earlier?
Yeah.
This is the only way to get the secret software.
Yeah, we don't. We ain't trying to build we're not gonna.
You're not trying to build a client side for the masses. You're just understandable. I am. It's fun. It's fun. Not Amazon wise. I'm going down a completely different path. I'm going consumer side. So.
Yeah,
dude. Whatever. I think everybody's path is different, man.
Yeah. So you guys are very, very intelligent, and you I like your niche, and you guys are experts in this. So for the right people, I guess. So how do they reach you again?
Yeah, Sean, go ahead.
Just go to ppcamsaccelerator.com, and then you'll just go through it, and then you can book a call with us on the site. If you do ppcamsaccelerator.com/schedule, you can schedule a call with us there as well.
Oh, so they get to talk to you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's the only. Yeah, dude. We don't even let it. Yeah, nobody gets through unless they talk to one of us.
Okay, so AMS something accelerator.com. What was that?
ppcamsaccelerator.com.
ppcamsaccelerator.com. Is there any dashes?
Sorry?
Are there any dashes?
No
slashes?
No, you can pop in there.
No emojis?
No emojis, man. No rockets in there.
Oh my God. We need to get. Nope. I said I wouldn't do this in the course. All right. Thank you, guys. So, and did you guys have a public Facebook group or just a private one?
Just a private one.
All right. Well, they'll be in the group once we make it. It will be made.
Love it.
And then, yeah, you probably just tag them in there. And then if too many you tag them, they just don't do that. But if you need to get a hold of them, get a hold of them.
Cool.
Awesome.
Cool. All right. Well, thank you guys so much. And if you guys have any questions at all, leave it down below or contact them. And hopefully you guys got something from this.
Let's do it. Thanks, brother.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Talk to you later.